ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಧನಂಜಯ. I am president of Okkaliಗರ Parishat of America, and it was an honor for me to attend this event, and I thank my friend Mr. Ravi Kumar, the principal of BGS CET, and this event was hosted by Dr. Chakravarti, Dr. Naveen, and Mr. Dr. Ravi Kumar. So event ಇವತ್ತು becoming the change and sports for life. ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡಯಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ 3 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಿಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈವೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 hour ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ 3 o'clock and it ended at 4 o'clock. So I was so happy the way it was organized, in addition to the topics. So the topics were so informative for the students who are learning, and for many other professionals who have to take care of their life and in their busy schedule. So ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, and it was very well attended, very well received, very well organized. And afterward I was talking to Miss Prupti. So ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು this was live telecast. So the live telecast was for almost, I think it was online views. It was attended by probably 20,000 plus students, if I am correct, right? So ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿನ 1 ಗಂಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಎಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ country, or I can say, or the state, or the officers, they coming and talking about these topics, who are very informative, very well organized, and I also learned a lot about this. Thank you very much for hosting this event and letting me speak about the event. Thank you.